Alright, here we have the Yamaha YPT-230 electrical musical keyboard. Just to let you know, I know nothing about playing a keyboard, music in general. All I'm doing is testing and showing the functions of this keyboard that is for sale, and I believe maybe already sold actually. I'm taking it from multiple angles with my smartphone above here and my Sony camera. So I'm just going to show you the functions of this keyboard and how it works. And that I know very little about either, but this is the volume. Let's see, we're on grand piano. All the keys work. Let's see, we got listen and learn. Listen. Okay. We've got timing. We've got waiting. Okay, we've got song, A-B, repeat. Repeat. Off. We've got rewind, fast forward, pause, play. Okay, I think that's enough of that. We've got, let's turn this thing. So you just power it off. So up here we've got different song selections. We've got different voices. Piano, electric piano. Let's see. 006 electric piano. 010. Oops. 010. Organ. Turn the volume up. Brass 062. Percussion 097. Vibes. One, 3. Okay, and then we've got style. I'm not sure how you, I guess you hit that button. And then 001. Demo 1. No 11. 055. 055. There we go. Plays the different songs. Ultra wide stereo. It says wide 2, wide 1. Sound effect. pretty cool. So I think that's about it. Portable Grand. Well, that's it pretty much. I think metronome, tempo tap, and then left, right. Not sure what that is, but I believe that's pretty much it. That's the Yamaha YPT-230. It's got your speakers on both sides here. Back here you've got your AC adapter, your headphones output, your MIDI in and out, and your sustain, I guess, pedal hookup or whatever. It's a pretty cool keyboard. I think you gotta hold the button, yeah, to turn it off. Underneath, you got, your typical hookups for a stand or whatever. You got your battery compartment here. It's powered by 6 AAA batteries. Yeah, it's a nice keyboard. I also have this Technics KN600 keyboard that I need to test out. Well, I've already tested it, but make a video about and post it on YouTube here. And it's also going to be for sale on eBay soon. That's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.